Hello, this is our first lesson starting from Unit 4 from the book New Inside Out Elementary, the American version. We're going to start from Unit 4, titled as Different. In this unit, we're going to learn grammar. We're going to learn the simple present and object pronouns, vocabulary, expressions with the verb like and don't like plus ing, and useful phrases expressing your opinions. First, let's take a look at this picture. Who do you think shop more, men or women? Please pause the video whenever you want, so you can take a few minutes to think about your answer. Let's start with the reading. Number 1, look at the picture and read and complete the article. Use he or she according to your own ideas. This man and woman objective is to go to Gap, which is a very famous, very popular department store in the United States, and they have to buy a pair of jeans. Okay, here it says a man takes 6 minutes and spends $70, and a woman takes 3 hours and 26 minutes and he spends $1,800 or $1,800. Shopping. A man and a woman go shopping to buy a pair of jeans. He goes to the mall, goes to Gap, and buys one pair of jeans. Spends $70. It takes 6 minutes. Goes to the mall, goes to 34 stores and buys 3 pairs of shoes, a lipstick, 2 tops, perfume, and a bag. Number 4, orders a new couch. Number 5, doesn't buy a pair of jeans. Number 6, spends $1,800. It takes 3 hours and 26 minutes. Eating out. A man and a woman go to a restaurant. Number 7, orders salad. Number 8, doesn't order a dessert. Number 9, orders steak and fries and a chocolate dessert. Number 10, eats his fries and his chocolate dessert. Traveling. A man and a woman go on vacation together. Takes a large suitcase, a small suitcase, and a purse. Number 12, takes a pair of sunglasses and a cell phone. Now please pause the video and take your time to fill in the blanks with he or she. Remember that for a man we use he, and for a woman we use she. Now that you have inserted he or she accordingly, please listen to the audio and check your answers.
Unit 4. Track 1.48. Objective. Go to Gap and buy a pair of jeans. Man. Time, 6 minutes. Spends $70. Woman. Time, 3 hours 26 minutes. Spends $1,800. Shopping.
A man and a woman go shopping to buy a pair of jeans. He goes to the mall, goes to Gap, and buys one pair of jeans. He spends $70. It takes 6 minutes. She goes to the mall, goes to 34 stores, and buys 3 pairs of shoes, a lipstick, 2 tops, perfume, and a bag. She orders a new couch. She doesn't buy a pair of jeans. She spends $1,800. It takes 3 hours and 26 minutes.
Eating out.
A man and a woman go to a restaurant. She orders salad. She doesn't order a dessert. He orders steak and fries and a chocolate dessert. She eats his fries and his chocolate dessert.
Traveling.
A man and a woman go on vacation together. She takes a large suitcase, a small suitcase, and a purse. He takes a pair of sunglasses and a cell phone.
Now that you have listened to the audio, please listen to it one more time and repeat it as many times until you think your pronunciation is good enough. Okay, now that you have checked your answers with the audio, let's go to part 2 of this exercise. Think about your own experience. Check the situations in the text that you think are true. Put a cross next to the situations that you think are false. For example, if you think that the man goes to the mall, goes to Gap and buys one pair of jeans, you put a check. If you don't think he goes to the mall, you put a cross. Well, in my personal experience, usually women are more into fashion and love shopping.